starts with cocoa beans, the main ingredient of chocolate. These beans are harvested directly from cocoa trees. These beans are harvested directly from cocoa trees. After harvesting, they are opened to collect the beans. Next, the beans are spread out to dry under the sun. Once dried, the beans are packed into sacks. They are then shipped to chocolate factories worldwide. The beans are roasted to develop a rich chocolate flavor. Roasting enhances the aroma and taste of chocolate. These nibs are the pure chocolate ingredient. The nibs are ground into chocolate liquor. This paste is rich, smooth, and ready for mixing. Milk and sugar are added for a creamy texture. The mixture is refined to remove coarse particles. Tempering gives chocolate its shiny look and snap. The tempered chocolate is poured into molds. Now the solid chocolate bars are removed from molds. The bars are inspected for quality and defects. Chocolate bars are weighed for uniform size. Next, the bars move to the wrapping machine. Bars are wrapped in shiny foil for protection. The wrapped chocolate bars are packed into boxes. Boxes are sealed and ready for shipping. The boxes are labeled with production date and brand. Boxes are then stacked on pallets for storage. Pallets are stored in climate-controlled warehouse. Trucks transport the chocolate to retail stores. At stores, the chocolate boxes are unpacked. Chocolate bars are arranged neatly for customers. Customers pick their favorite chocolate. At home, chocolate is unwrapped and ready to eat.